Create a new fee structure using quick add fee templates option. So from the fee counter, go to fee dashboard and here click on add template button. There are two options. One is add fee template. We have separate videos on that. And one is quick add fee templates. Now click on the second option. Now here select the particular academic year. I am selecting 25-26 here. There is no data. So to add a data or create a fee structure, click on this create new record. Now if you have already added a template by using the first option, you can select the template here to add a new record. Else you can just put the template name over here, which is whatever it is. And press enter. Now enter the record name, enter the amount for the particular record, select the start date and end date. The start date and end date is required so that we can send a late fee notification. You can select this PG, enter the description, select the academic year, but all this is not necessary. This is optional. If you are using the fees or adding the fees for the course, you can select the academic year from here. I am not adding this for any course right now, so I am skipping this step. You can select here the PG or payment gateway here if you have multiple payment gateways. So I have only one payment gateway. I am skipping this step. Click on save. So the one record is now added. Now from the action column, you can delete this fee record or fee template if required, or you can copy this by clicking on this option. So this is how we can create a fees from quick add templates.